ka say kabutar. Which is kabutar? You have to draw a line from ka. From ka you have to draw. Okay? Ka say kabutar. Finished, Sai Charan? Show me how we have done. Yeah, okay. Ka say kathal. Ka say kathal. Kathal. Show me, Shravan, which is kathal. Good. Very good. Ka say kamal. Maswin, where is ka say kamal? Good. Next ka. This ka. This one. Ready? Ka say karbuja. Ka say kharbuja. Show me, Dayanand, which is kharbuja. Yeah, good. Good, ma. Ka say kharbuja. Kha say kharbuja. Finished? Kha say khargosh. Kha say khargosh. Roshan, where is khargosh? Kha say khargosh. Yeah, good. Correct. Kha say khatmal. Kha say khatmal. Match the khatmal. Kha say khatmal. Kha say khatmal. Next one, g. First g. G say gaj. Gaj. Satvik, show me gaj. Gaj. Very good. G say gamla. G say gamla.
G say gamla.
G say gamla. Maswin, where is gamla? Always looking at your mom and asking, ah. Very good. G say gamla over. G say gada. Gada. G say gada. Kritvik, where is gada?
Namaste, Guruji ma'am.
Namaste, Kritvik. Where is gada?
I not take book, ma'am.
Come on, take your book. You already joined. Till now, you didn't take your book.
What book, ma'am?
This book, ma, in which we'll do matching.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on fast. Roshan, which gada you have matched, Roshan? There are two gada there. Donkey. Good, correct. Correct. Next ga. Gha. This ga. घ से घड़ियाल. घ से घड़ियाल. Satyik, which is घड़ियाल? घ से घड़ियाल.
ఇంకా ట్యాక్స్ కట్ అవుతుంది అంతా అయ్యాక మనం ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ ఫైల్ చేస్తాం కదా అప్పుడు మనకి మొత్తం వెనక్కి వస్తుంది సరిపోతుంది
Correct.
ఫైల్ చేసుకుంటాం
घ से घड़ियाल. Shravan matched घड़ियाल. Very good, Shravan. Next is घ से घड़ी. घ से घड़ी. Sai Charan, show me where is घड़ी. घ से घड़ी. Good, good. Correct, ma. Very good. Nivin, what are you doing, Nivin? Take your book and start matching, Nivin. घ से घड़ी. Take this
Ma'am,
book.
which book, ma'am? The book.
I can't see the book. I can see only you. Ah, yeah, that book. Ghadi, where is Ghadi? Which is Ghadi? Correct, Nivin. Very good, Nivin. Match. Good boy. घ से घर. घ से घर. दयानंद, घर. Where is Gar, Dayanand? Good. Correct, ma. Good. घ से घड़ा. घ से घड़ा. Gritvik, which is घड़ा? घ से घड़ा. Next is cha. Cha. This is cha. च से चरखा. च से चरखा. Magasven, don't ask your mama. I'm watching you. Come on, charka. Which is charkha? Charkha.
Correct.
You know everything. Then also you're asking your mama. Wow, naughty boy. Very good. Good, everyone. Good. Okay, next is cha se chatai. Cha se chatai. Chatai. Satvik, where is chatai?
No. Math, mama.
You can say it to me.
చట్టాయి అంటే
Cha se chatai. Yeah,
చట్టాయి
correct, ma. Cha se chatai. Match. Good. च से चम्मच.
Ma'am,
च से
what is it?
चम्मच.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
what is it? Chatai.
चटाई. मैट.
And I'm going ma'am.
Very good, Nevin. चटाई.
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
नमस्ते लक्ष्य. नमस्ते तुम्हारा
How
गुरु
are
बरन.
you? How are you, ma'am?
हिंदी बोल. Take the cha page. Cha cha ga ga and all we finished. Come on, do it from cha. Cha se चटाई. Match cha se चटाई. Next cha se चम्मच. श्रवण चम्मच. चम्मच. Good. Well done, ma. Next cha se चक्की. च से चक्की. 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 च से चक्की. This will be the action for that. Find out which is चक्की and match. च से चक्की. Yeah, good, Malaksh. Next letter is this cha. 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 Take this page. Cha. च से छत. च से छत. Roshan, which is छत? छत रोशन. च से छत. Show it in your book, ma. Yeah, correct. Dayanand, where is chat? Dayanand. Chat, show me chat. Chat, ma. Ah, correct. Huh? That one, chat. Chat, roof. Chat is roof. Okay? Cha se chalni. If you have done it wrongly, correct it, ma. Cha se chalni. Good, ma, Lakshraj. Aswin, where is chalni? Chalni. Point it out, which is chalni. Point out which is chalni. You have matched it, but you are pointing out the wrong one. Chalni. Mahaswin.
Chalni, ma'am.
See, everything you matched it and you are showing one by one, na?
Chalni.
Chalni. Chalni is trainer. This is chalni. You should know.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalni. Next is cha se chhatri. Cha se chhatri. Arjun, cha se chhatri match. Take your book and match, Arjun. Cha se chhatri. Show me where is chhatri. Arjun. Chatri Arjun. Very good, Arjun. Cha say chadi. Chadi. Old people will have a stick in their hand, no? Chadi. That is chad. Rod. I didn't tell you rod. I said chadi. Walking stick.
Ma'am, I remember.
What, ma, Kumaran?
What's that chakri?
Chhatri. Chhatri is umbrella. Chadi is the stick. Old people will use, no?
No, ma'am.
Chadi. This is chadi.
Chadi.
This is chad.
Chad.
Chad is rod. If anyone has matched this as chadi, it is wrong. Chadi is this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Next is ja.
Chad. Chadi.
Mute yourself, Makumaran. Next is ja. Ja say jad. Jad. That is Jahaj, Rakshraj. I said jad. Ja say jad. Arjun, where is jad? Okay, correct. Ja say jawan. Ja say jawan. Nivin, where is jawan? Nivin Surya, where is jawan? Which is jawan? No.
Yes.
Wrong. That is jahaj. Which is jawan? Yeah, correct. Soldier. Jawan, soldier. If you have doubt in that, children, you have to ask whether it is right or wrong. You should not match the wrong picture. Then at the time of assessment, you will get confused. Yeah, very good, ma. Maswin, which is Jawan? Maswin knows jalebi very well, right? Jawan. Next is jalebi. It's very easy, jalebi. Finish? Yeah, good. Next ja. This ja. Ja say jarna. Ja say jarna. Which is jarna? Lift your books and show me, children, all of you, which is jarna. Sai Charan. Yeah, correct. Sai Charan, correct. Daksh, correct. Roshan, correct. Satvik. Very good. Shravan, good. Masven. Good. Next page. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma, Nivin.
what is Jannah, ma'am?
This is Jarna. Stream.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Nivin. Next is Nia. We finished. Take the ta page. Ta. Ta say tahni. Ta say tahni. Match tahni. Ta say tahni. Very good. Branch of a tree. Good. ट से टमाटर. ट से टमाटर. ट से टमाटर. Good. ट से टमटम. ट से टमटम. Satvik टमटम. Arjun टमटम. Which is टमटम? Point it out with your finger. Pencil is not visible, children, so please point it out. Yeah, good. Very good, Arjun and Satvik, good. Next is this tha, second tha. Tha. Tha se thappa. Tha se thappa. Finished, man. Lakshraj, next page. This tha. Tha. Tha se thappa. Roshan thappa. Correct, Laksh. What is thappa? Thappa. Yeah, good. Correct. Stamp. Tha se thatera. Tha se thatera. Dayanand. Tha se thatera. Tatera. Where is Tatera, ma? Ah, good, ma, Dayanand. Correct. Correct, ma. Next is ta se tahar. Tha se tahar. Arjun. Tahar.
Ma'am, what's Thera?
Tha se thad. What, ma? Tatera is this one. Tahar. Tahar means stop. Tahar. Very good. Yeah, good, Lakshraj. Okay, Marjun. Next, da. Da. Da se damru. Da se damru. Maswen. Good. Da se dagar. Dagar. Da se dagar. Where is dagar?
Namaste, ma'am.
Hey, you joined, Arayan. Why you
Ma'am,
didn't say namaste, ma'am?
We were trying so long. Just now only you can able to connect, ma'am.
Okay, just now only. Okay. Dagar. You have to match, Arayan. Match dagar and then damru, okay?
What is Dagar?
Dagar is path. This one, dagar.
Ma'am, Dagar.
Dagar means path. Nevin. Okay, next, da say duffly. 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 This is duffly. Children, if you have matched this one, it is wrong. That is duff. This is duffly. Okay? Da say dalia. Da say dalia. Dalia, which is dalia? Ryan, which is dalia? Good, ma, Ryan. Smart boy. Very good, Ryan. Match it, ma. Don't just touch it. You have to match it with your pencil. D से डलिया, D से डमरू, D से what ma? D से डमरू, D से डमरू, D से डफली, D से डलिया, D से डगर. Okay? Next children. D से ढक्कन, D से ढक्कन,
मैम என்ன சொல்றாங்க கவனி
ढक्कन, ढक्कन means D से ढक्कन, D से ढक्कन, D से ढक्कन. Whenever you are free, you have to revise, children. Then only you will remember. Otherwise, you will forget everything. Okay? Next is this na. Na. Na से रावण, रावण. रावण. Next na से बाण, बाण. बाण means arrow, बाण. Finished? Take the third page. Let me know this. Ta से तरबूज, तरबूज. Ta से तरबूज. This is तरबूज. This is तरबूज. Children, this is तरबूज. Which is तरबूज? Ta से तरबूज. तरबूज. This is तरबूज. Ta से तकिया. Which is takiya, children? This one? This is takiya? This is takiya? This is takiya? This is takiya, pillow. Takiya means pillow. So ta से takiya, pillow. Ta से तलवार. Where is ta से तलवार?
Sword, ma'am. Talwar, sword.
Ta से तलवार, sword. Good.
And Talwar, sword, and
Next, this ta you have to take. Ta से thermos. Which is thermos? Ta से thermos. This is thermos. Tha से thermometer. Thermometer. Next is, what letter is this? Anyone knows?
the, ma'am, the.
Very good letter. The.
The,
से दरवाजा. Which is दरवाजा? The say darwaza. Come on, anyone do it and show it to me. Yes,
Darwaza, ma'am.
Shravan, which is darwaza? Shravan, yeah, very good, Sai Charan. Shravan,
It's door, ma'am.
yeah, good. Darwaza, door. Good. The say thus. Thus. The say thus. This is the say thus. The say davat. The say davat. What is davat? Ryan, where is davat? Show me. Ryan.
Ink, ma'am.
Ah, very good, Ryan. This is davat. Very good. Okay, next the second the. Okay. The say dhan. Which is dhan? The say dhan. Dhan means wealth. The say dhan. Okay. And then where is the say dhaniya? Which is the say dhaniya? Satvik.
Coriander tree.
Very good. The say dhaniya. Coriander tree. It's coriander. Okay. The say dhanush. You know which is dhanush, children? Match dhanush. The say dhanush. Next is na. Na say null. Na say null. See the action, children. Na say null. What is it? What is na say null? Tap. Very good. Na say null. Tap. Na say nadi. Na say nadi. Arjun, which is nadi? Ah, correct. Na say nadi, river. Na say nayan. Na say nayan. Nayan. This one. Na say nat. Which is nat? This you will wear it in your nose. Nat. Okay. Now take your writing book, children. Candy book. Third page you have to take. The say takia page you are going to take. Okay, and then you are going to write this page, and this page you are going to take it as your homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, write it now. Write today's date. 21/1/2021.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. Page
What is
number
the page number, ma'am? Page number, ma'am.
53. Say takia. What, Marjun? This writing candy book, ma. I said no candy book. This book, take page number 53. Yeah, good, correct.
Ma'am, we not write the Hana, ma'am.
Which ma?
Hana.
What?
I don't.
Ma'am, we didn't write Anna actually. Which Anna?
This page, on the day
Anna.
this activity, I told you to write, no? You didn't write, Arjun. Sorry, Roshan. It's okay, ma, Roshan. Afterwards, you write it. Finish it, okay?
Ma'am. Okay.
Children,
Ma'am.
you did this activity, no? You didn't finish it. You finish it. Finish it afterwards also, okay? Now you write this page.
What did you say, ma'am?
This page number 53. Ta se tatya, this page. This one. Ta se takya, page number 53. Everyone took it? Write today's date, children. 21/1/2021. Ta. Children, the you have to first write like this. Then standing line. See, you are having 4 lines like this, right? Okay. First, draw a standing line. Backwards, you will come like this. Standing line. The. Follow the line and write, children. The. First, standing line. Yes, Dayanand? Any doubts? Dayanand? What happened, ma? Why you are not writing?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
I already finished.
Why did you finish it already, ma?
I already finished, ma'am.
Okay, hereafter don't finish it, okay? When I tell you only, you should write.
I know, so that's why.
Standing line, sleeping line, standing
Okay,
line,
ma'am.
again sleeping line.
Yeah. I'm from the bed. I'm going to class.
Yes, mute yourself, mother. What letter you are writing, Ryan? Spell and write, children. Nobody is spelling out. The. Spell and write. The. If you have finished in your book, means take a rough notebook and write, ma, Dayanand. Satvik, spell and write. Spell and write, ma. The.
Yes, I telling the only writing.
Okay. I didn't hear that's what. Okay. Niveen, what letter you are writing? Ryan, spell and write. The. Right. The. Spell and write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Ma'am, Nivin doesn't know the letter, ma'am. He's simply telling okay, okay, ma'am.
It's the. That's what I'm asking you. It is the. Nevin. Spell and write, Nevin. Come on. Ryan is not spelling out. Ah. See, I'm watching everyone. Roshan. Roshan.
Yes.
Spell out and write, Roshan.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
I finished this page,
Yes,
ma'am.
Arjun. That's good.
I finished this page.
Satvik finished.
I
That's
finished
finished.
one page.
What? Eating pencil? Right. What are you blinking? Come on, right. Yes, Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma'am? Finished, ma'am? Color the pillow. Don't write the homework now. Color the pillow.
I'll do.
Huh? Unmute
No, he's telling I do it in the night time.
You do it whenever you want. Now color that pillow. I'm going to pinch your nose, see, naughty boy. Come on. Color it. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Ryan.
finished writing. And now I have to color the star.
Yes. Yes. The whole pillow you have to color.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Ryan. Kumaran. What are you doing, Kumaran? Are you writing? Right. Spell and write. Ta se takiya. Nevin. Nevin. What are you doing, Nevin? Playing, huh?
No, ma'am.
You thought I'm not watching you? See, everyone is watching you now. Nevin. Right. Those are finished. You can start coloring. Shravan Karanshu.
I am writing, ma'am.
Still writing or coloring?
Writing.
Right. Everyone has finished writing the. Still, how many of you are writing? Ryan finished. Satvik finished. Lakshraj finished.
Ma'am, I finished writing, ma'am.
Finish. Okay, let's finish.
I too finish, ma'am.
Very good. Let's Sai Charan finish. Then Arjun finish. Roshan finish. Very good. Maswin, Ritwik,
Finish, ma'am.
finished.
I
Very
finish
good.
it, ma'am.
But only the coloring activity is there, okay? Okay, children, finish it, color it beautifully, and finish your homework also, okay? The other page.
Okay,
start,
ma'am.
Okay, and thanks for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone. Shukriya.
Bye.